What's going on YouTube? It is Chronic Apple, and I'm back here with an amazing Dreamboard theme review, and this theme is called X Lion Ultimatum. Now, if you guys don't know what Dreamboard is basically an alternative to Winterboard, but it doesn't take up as much RAM when you're running a theme, so it does not make your iDevice run too much slower when you're running a theme. And also, Dreamboard basically it sets up all the themes for you. So when you install the theme and you apply it, everything is set up for you. And altogether, you can do some pretty amazing customizations to your iDevice with Dreamboard. And X Lion Ultimatum, basically just like the name, it makes your iDevice look almost exactly like X Lion, and I really do like this because I am an Apple fanboy, from what I've seen, this does an amazing job of replicating X Lion. So once you guys have downloaded the theme and applied it in Dreamboard, this is a screen it'll pop up to. It says to set up the installation of Mac OS X, click continue. So I'm going to click continue. And it says installing, and there's a little progress bar, and then I can click continue again. And it says welcome. In just a few steps, you can register and set up your Mac. And I click yes or continue. And now you can choose from what device you have. I have the white iPhone 4. Click continue, and I'm going to type in my username. So I'm going to type in just Ryan, and click continue. And for my icon, I'm just going to do the lion, just so it's simple. And here are some awesome customizations. Here are some of the customization features. You can make your iPod on your dock. You can make it look like either iTunes or the iPod, or make it look like an actual iPod. And also on your dock, you can choose between having mission control and dashboard. Now I really don't know what the difference between mission control and dashboard is, so I'm just going to leave it at mission control. And press continue, and here you can choose between the three different status bars. I'm just going to leave it at default as usual, just so I don't have to go through a long process of setting this up. Don't really care for a range status bar or a clean status, just going to click continue on those. And now you guys can choose between which browser you want on your icon or on your dock. But this, of course, you guys, this isn't going to make it actually use, so if I select Firefox, it won't actually use Firefox, it's always going to use Safari. But it's just basically what the icon will look like when you want to click on it. So I myself prefer Google Chrome, so I'm just going to click on that and press continue. And if you guys use a default messaging app for texting, if you guys have an iPhone, just leave it at default messaging app. But I myself use by SMS, so you can choose between the pink by SMS and the blue one. I'm going to click the blue one and just click continue, and it says thank you. And here we go. I can click continue, and we are done. And here is the desktop. This looks so far pretty close to, amazingly close actually, to X Lion. And you can actually click on the status bar up here, and as you guys can see, you can see all of this stuff mixed exactly like a Mac. And but you have some other stuff you can do. If you click on Finder, you can go to iTunes, the iBook Store, Stocks, Game Center, and you can go into File. And you can do some stuff there, and on your desktop you have Macintosh HD, which will open up this folder thing, and you can browse your folders. And I can click on applications, and I can actually scroll through all the applications I have. I can drag around the screen like I would on the computer. And let's click. Oh yeah, you can. The phone is automatically right there, and also this little. If you click the Finder button at the dock, it'll also bring up the little Finder folder. Now, if you click this little rocket thing at the bottom here, it'll bring up all of your apps on your desktop. I click on here, and it should show all the apps like so. And it says, as you guys can see, here are the apps in alphabetical order. I can scroll through all of them. I can open them up if I want to. And there's the iTunes right there, so I can click on that to go to my iPod app, and and this is the email app, and this is my by SMS right here, and this is mission control, or I'm pretty sure that's mission control. And you can go to your dashboard, and the dashboard just has like your weather, your clock, and your weather set up. And you can actually just scroll to the right again. You can go right back to your desktop. Now, if you click on this little folder thing, it'll bring up your favorites. I currently don't have anything in there, but if you want to put stuff in there, you can click this little trash can thing, and it puts it into edit mode, and you can put things in your favorites. And you can also click the trash can when you're on the desktop, or I guess not on the desktop. Usually on your, or from when I tried this last time, if you click on the trash can, you can actually put icons in your desktop. Now, this is what the lock screen looks like. Yes, this does come with a lock screen, so you do have the time right there, or the time and the date right there. And you have your sleep, which I'm not really sure what sleep does. I think sleep actually just makes it Oh, it just goes to that. It just brings it to a black screen. It unlocks your device and it goes to a black screen. And also, if you click on restart, I'm not even sure if restart does anything. And if you click shutdown, it actually just opens your device. And you can open up your phone by just clicking on that phone. You can open up your mail and you can open up your messaging app by just clicking on either 3 of those. Alright, so that was the Mac OS X Lion Ultimatum Dreamboard theme. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Peace.